everybody, Yamez here with Island Metal Forge. Today in this video I'm going to be forging some bamboo. A little bit of that island style in Island Metal Forge. A while back I did it during a live stream and I learned quite a bit, and after discussing with some people was told to try to use this rather than that, do this rather than that. So before I did all coal and got some pretty decent results. I am going to try using a combination of coal and oxyacetylene and see if I can come up with some different, a clearer result. I hope you guys enjoy. Check it out. You're going to want to stick a piece of rag or wet tissue or something along those lines in the end of the pipe to keep the heat from coming up the pipe and heating up the area where you're going to hold. If you're using tongs, it's no big deal. Now when quenching, you want to keep that rag in there and keep a good hold on it, because steam will shoot out the back end. You want to be very careful quenching pipe. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you quench without a rag in the end, and just how much steam can be produced. That's shooting out boiling liquid. And this pipe is now superheated, even though it was cool enough to handle before. Now that was pretty fun. I really enjoyed that. I started out as, I believe, 1.25 inch, 1.5 pipe. It doesn't really matter. As you saw, I used Uncle Buck's pipe gate fuller or scissor swage, however you would like to call it, and using that it has different notches for different sizes. It turned out pretty dang good. Just cinched in 3 segments or 3 nodes to make 4 segments, and yeah, I hope to one day get enough of this to make a bunch of stuff for my truck, a brush guard, a step ups, and a pipe rack, a pipe rack because it's made out of pipe, a ladder rack to hold my kayaks up. Pretty fun stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If y'all are new to the channel, I do live streams every Saturday night at 6 p.m. Eastern called Forging with Yamez, and it's just a way I can interact with everybody. It's my preferred method of showing you guys what I'm doing. And I took over on Sundays for Tim Wiggins over at Big Dog Forge for his 10 a.m. Sunday mornings Blacksmith's Church. All times are Eastern, of course. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and check out the description. I have all sorts of links and information there. Hopefully I'll see you all in the comments. Thank you.